A card is picked from a card pack. What is the probability the card will be a face card? It's picked from a card pack. I know there are 52 cards in a card pack. That's my denominator. Done. Face card. What is a face card? Jack, Queen and King are face cards. There's face cards in clubs, face cards in diamonds, in hearts and spades. In each of them, Jack, Queen, King are face cards, or there are totally 12 face cards. So what is the probability it will be a face card? That is 12 by 52, which is 6 by 26, which is 3 by 13. Now the answer is given in decimal. 3 by 13 divide 3 by 13 doesn't go 0.0 26 40 3 39 10. It is 0.23 thereabouts. This choice picks itself. That's the right answer.